At school, Mike likes his school. He goes to school 5 days a week. Mike has a lot of lessons on his timetable. He has English, math, PE, technology, art and music. His favorite day is Monday. He has 4 lessons on Monday: English, math, music and PE. The first lesson is English. Mike speaks English, reads stories, writes and learns new words. He wants to go to Britain. The second lesson is math. Pupils solve problems and do sums. The third lesson is music. Mike likes his teacher. They sing songs and listen to music together. The fourth lesson is PE. Mike plays sports games in the gym. When the weather is fine, pupils go outside to do sports. Answer the questions. 1. Does Mike like his school? 2. How many lessons has Mike got on Monday? 3. What is the second lesson on Monday? 4. Where does Mike want to go? 5. What is the fourth lesson on Monday?